What's he doing? He's a quad guy.
I know. He's deciding to take out the bike, I think. My bet is he's going to eat shit.
What's this guy here?
Oh my gosh.
Zach was in my way.
I'll hit all the jumps, but I'll fucking lay it over every corner.
Who said to let the quad rider ride a dirt bike?
You know this only has 2 wheels, right?
Yeah.
Alright, just checking.
Do you want me to fake be a goon, or do you want me to be myself goon?
I want you to be yourself, goon.
Alright.
He'll still be a goon.
He's going to just be natural.
He'll look the same.
Yeah. He's just trying to say that so you pick the goon option so it doesn't seem as bad when he is a goon.
Yeah.
Sand in my life.
Never.
Never ridden sand on a dirt bike in my life. Never. Always dirt.
Be this.
Wishy-washy.
He's going to come back and say, I hit the power line.
I think your bars and the wheels are definitely off though.
Well.
Oh boy. Hey, he was saying how my bars and levers aren't right. Well, his head is not a little right.
Another quad guy on a dirt bike?
Dang, what are these guys thinking?
No, they're thinking the right thing,
No,
actually.
They're
yes,
not
they
thinking the
are.
right thing.
They're
Track's money today.
Look at them.
His straightaways and jumps are straight. That corner needs a little bit of work.
From 4 wheels to 2 wheels for the day.
I think.
Where did he even get a damn dirt bike from?
His trailer?
Oh, he has a dirt bike?
Yeah, he actually brought it in.
Oh.
He's probably riding that thing and he's on the tracks probably like, damn, this dirt bike stuff's real easy. Holy crap.
He was hitting it.
Yeah. I thought you were sending the power line.
I know I can hit it.
I was like, no, he is not.
I know I can hit it.
You can easily hit it.
Easily. Dude, it's so roomy.
Fast. I was surprised. I was like,
I got an arm pump, dude. 2 laps.
I was like, he's gonna be a dude, but no, you're actually true. 2 quad guys on a bike. Doesn't seem right.
Oh,
How you guys feeling? Dude, you rode this, and now I'm like jealous. I want to get on the bike and ride.
so fun. I knew I should have brought mine down. I was just scared of getting hurt.
That thing is so freaking quiet. It doesn't even sound like it's on. Compared to these other bikes out here, it's quiet as hell. Can't stay off of it, huh? You've been on it all day.
All day.
I gotta tell you guys something. Sorry for the quick little interruption on the video, but I have to tell you guys something that's very, very, very important. But first, I'm gonna let somebody else do it. Whoa, let somebody else do it first. Yo, and he's not in here. Damn it. Damn, he's not in here. What are you doing?
Having my morning break.
Dude, I couldn't find Zach. Where is Zach? I need to tell him something.
He's in the bathroom.
No, he's not. I just went there.
Where's he at?
Bro, I just asked you.
I don't know. Where is he?
Oh my gosh, I don't know.
Let's go find him.
Oh, he might be in the shop. Let me give him a call.
Yo,
Where are you at, son? We got an important announcement to make.
an important announcement.
Yes, we have an important. Yes, bro. We need to tell the people what's going on, bro.
Where are you?
Where are you?
I'm in the shop.
All right, come out the shop real quick.
Huh?
Come out the shop real quick.
Where you at?
About to be where you are. Bro, we need to let them know what's going on, man. Let them know what's going on right here, right now, son. Tell them. Come on.
Single and ready to fucking mingle, mother.
That's not what we talking about. Bro, we talking about the special giveaway. Did you not hear about it?
No, I didn't.
How do you not hear about it?
way,
Everybody,
no
Travis,
way,
you heard
no
about it,
way,
bro?
Wait.
Even Travis heard about it.
Let me take a guess. Giving away your KTM.
Bro, chill out. No, son, that's not it. All right, so listen up. Since you don't know, since your ass probably lying to me about knowing, I'm gonna take a guess and say that both of y'all don't know. So this is like one of the biggest things right here right now. First giveaway of 2021, you dig? We're giving away a brand new, straight out of the box, straight out of the store, GoPro Hero 9.
Oh shit. How do I enter?
How do you enter? Travis, you better act excited or something, son.
Just go subscribe.
Bro.
All you gotta do, bro.
How do I enter?
Alright, how do you enter? If you guys would like to be entered for a chance to win this brand new GoPro Hero 9, just as excited as these guys are. Travis, tell me you're excited, son.
I'm excited.
Wait, sir. We're doing a giveaway for a brand new GoPro Hero 9. Do you want to be entered?
Sure.
Are you sure?
How long will it take?
It will take maybe 5 to 2 minutes. You got to go on your phone, go to YouTube, go to Land Clearing Development channel, and subscribe. That's all you got to do, and you're entered. Simple as that. Land Clearing Development on YouTube. All you got to do is subscribe, and you're entered. All right, I screenshotted it, and you are now entered. Guys, we got the FedEx man entered in the giveaway. Give me my camera back. Go down below to the in the description. Subscribe to Land Clearing Development YouTube page. As soon as they reach 1,000 subscribers, we will pick one lucky winner to win the brand new GoPro Hero 9. Literally,
I'm gonna win that thing. I'm gonna win it. It's all mine.
I'm gonna win too.
Travis,
Oh,
you're not acting excited, bro.
I'm gonna win, bro.
So, man, bro, easy as that.
Dude, I'm telling you, whatever you just said, I think you said Land Clearing Development.
Yes,
So
bro.
just YouTube, subscribe, and then bam, I'm entered.
Yes, sir.
Easy,
There you go.
easy.
So if you guys would like to do that, click the link below, subscribe, get them to 1,000 subscribers, and we will pick a lucky winner.
Where I had they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in the hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3 happy meals for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother.
I can't ride with them because I don't have any tear off. I can't see.
The ladies, my babies, and one on the way now, I'm stressing my mom. And no.
Guys, look at my shoes. I lost my shoes. Yo,
What's up?
look at this.
Where the f your shoes went?
Look over there. You gonna go get them for me?
Oh, they're for the track.
Go get them for me, bro.
I ain't going in there.
How am I supposed to go in there?
Oh, I ain't going.
Right through the fucking slime. Come on, guys.
Oh, you think that's bad? Look at where my shoes are.
Yeah.
Look at that. Do it. Hey, you built it, didn't you? Yeah. Hit it. That.
Oh shit. Like this? Straight up?
Inside, it's all muddy right there.
I'm just square up right there.
That's nothing, dude. You gotta go back.
No, what?
Huh? Yeah, come on. I'll hit it.
Are we talking about right here or?
Land here or over there? Here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you go right over.
See, I was thinking you was talking about the one you're on now.
No. It's a little further than you thought, huh?
That was cake. That wasn't nothing. Scoot it back.
Scoot it back.
Go back another foot.
I mean, it's a difficult part, square it up.
New location for the ramp that Austin made, and we'll see how it goes. Pretty big jump, pretty big.
What up?
Did you say case first try?
Yeah, I did. I lied.
Come on, this thing's acting stupid. There we go. Finally, 10 years later, it starts. This first one's kind of sketchy, holy shit. Died, man.
You put the first scuff on my bike, freaking goon squad.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Oh, bro.
Man, that ain't nothing. I jumped that jump. My bike freaking shut off. And I ended up like this.
Because of the switch?
Yes.
Dude. Put another switch on.
I gotta get another one.
Quit playing with your life.
Oh, this thing is clapped out.
Go through there, Shane.
Look at the switch, you guys.
Is it that, really?
Yeah, watch it.
Go around the parking lot.
Oh, homie. That ain't good, bro.
Come here. He's just bouncing. About to be bad. No, that's this bike.
No, that's Darius Anderson.
Hey. Come hit it on this.
No.
Okay then.
One after another.
Whoa, it's a golf cart. Wait, did y'all move it back?
Yeah, another like 4 or 5 foot.
Two white gold, keep the lace gold chain, keep the beast inside and the hose insane. Look at me, jeans in a Lambo truck with 2 powder bags and a ball made frames. 5 in the game plus 1 that's 6, cause you know YV gotta get that.